So problem 4. 4 charges plus q plus 2q plus q and minus q are placed at the corners of the square. Calculate the electric field E at the intersection of the diagonals of the square of side 10 centimeter. If charge q is placed at each corner, which is equal to 5 by 3 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb. So let us consider a square of ABCD. So charge in ABCD, which is equal to 5 by 3 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb. The sides of the square are equal to 10 centimeter. So let us write AB equal to BC, which is equal to CD, which is equal to D is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, if it is converted to meter means 0.1 meter. So first we will calculate the electric field at the intersection of the diagonals here at point O. Suppose you consider this charge Q. Due to this Q, what is the field at O? So it's a positive charge, so the field is definitely away, directed away. So this is along this direction. Suppose you consider this is the first position, so E1. So what about here? This is along this direction. So this is E2. So field at O due to position B, which is directed away. Suppose you consider C, which is also directed away. This is along this direction. Suppose we consider E3 and point charge at D. Here minus Q. Okay. So here all the things are plus Q, plus 2Q and plus Q, here minus Q. So if it is minus Q, the field is towards. So E4, which is towards the point D. Okay. So according to this concept, you will consider the field at point O due to A and point C. That is E1 and E3. They are cancel each other because they are lying in opposite direction. Okay, so the magnitude of charge is equal plus Q. So the field E1 and E3, the magnitude of E1 and E3, which is also equal, but the directions are opposite, so they are cancel each other. So E1 minus E3, which is equal to 0. But E2 and E4, they are lying on the same direction. So we are going to calculate the net field at O. Okay. So before that, you will calculate the value of R. So R means OA, or OB, or OC, which is equal to OD. So we know that the total distance, the sides, the diagonals, which are equal to 10 centimeters. Suppose you consider that is A. So for OA, OB, this is just A divided by root 2. So otherwise we will write 10 divided by root 2. If you simplify this, 5 root 2 centimeter. 5 root 2 centimeter. So our aim is to calculate the electric field at the point O. So which is equal to E2 plus E4. So you know the formula, electric field due to point charge. So K into, for E2, charge is magnitude is 2Q divided by, what is that, R square. So this distance plus E4, this is E4, so plus Q divided by R square. So what about the common terms from these two? K is common, Q is common, and R square is also common. So remaining 2 plus 1. So 3. So E0 is equal to, what's the value of k? So suppose we can write it 3 in first into 9 into 10 power 9. Then charge 5 by 3 into 10 power minus 9 divided by r squared 5 into root 2 into 10 power minus 2 is centimeter the whole square. Okay, if we solve this, root 2 10 power plus 9 minus 9 get 0, 10 power minus 4, so 3 get cancel, so remaining 5 into 9 45. So 45 divided by, if we solve this 5 square 25, so here it is separated into 2, so root 2 square 2, 25 50 into 10 power plus 4. Otherwise we simplify these two terms, which becomes around 0.9 into 10 power plus 4. So electric field at point O is 0.9 into 10 power 4. And the unit of electric field is volt meter minus 1. So let us discuss about another one problem. A system has two charges, Q is equal to 2.5 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb and QB is equal to minus 2.5 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb, located at the points at a distance of A 0 0 minus 15 centimeter and B 0 0 plus 15 centimeter respectively. What are the total charge, so Q, and dipole moment P of the given system? So actually these two charges can be located in a coordinate frame of reference. So let us consider a simple Cartesian coordinate system x, y and z. So first we have to consider the charges at point A located at 0 0 minus 15 centimeters. So x, y and z. Okay, at x-axis 0th position, y-axis 0th position, and z-axis here negative minus 15 centimeters. So it's a positive z-axis, this is a negative z-axis. Let us consider the point A here. This is 0 0 minus 15 centimeter. So the QA is located at here at a distance of 15 centimeter. Similarly, we will consider QB, which is located at 0 0 and plus 15 centimeters. So here is a point B. So 0 0 plus 15 centimeter. So first we will calculate the total charge of the given system. So it's the first M, total charge of the given system. So let us consider Q. Q is equal to QA plus QB. So here QA is 2.5 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb. QB is minus 2.5 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb. So total charge in the system is equal to 0. Okay. So the second aim, first you will calculate the distance between the two charges. Otherwise distance between A, B. So distance between A, B is equal to, that is considered as D. D is equal to 15 plus 15, which is equal to 30 centimeters. So the distance between A to B is 30 centimeter. So in meter, T is equal to 0.3 meter. Our aim is to calculate the value of dipole moment P. So the formula for dipole moment P is equal to the product of magnitude of one of the charge and the distance. So this is the formula for dipole moment Q into T. So which is equal to, so what is the value of Q? So only we consider the magnitude of charge. So So both are equal. So 2.5 into 10 power minus 7 into 0.3. So 0.3 into 2.5 which is equal to 0.75 into 10 power minus 7. The unit of dipole moment is coulomb, here meter. So coulomb meter. So otherwise we have to write dipole moment P is equal to 7.5 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb meter. Actually dipole moment is a vector quantity. Okay, the dipole moment is directed from negative charge to positive charge.